Yes, class. Today we will learn about stock exchange. Stock exchange. What's the meaning of stock exchange? Stock means securities. Exchange means the place where the exchange procedure, that means sale purchase can take place. So stock exchange is the place, is the marketplace where the securities or funds are sold and purchased. Okay. Now here is a definition given in your book. It is given that stock exchange can be defined as an organization or body of individuals. What does it mean? Organization. Stock exchange is an organization which is taking care of the securities sale purchase, exchange procedure of securities, exchange procedure of finances. Or we can say body of individuals. That means it is a group of people who are ensuring that the transparent transactions should take place in this market. So, and for it is an organization or body of individuals for the purpose is given. For the purpose of fair dealing, fair and transparent dealing of securities. तो कितनी चीजें होगी? एक तो organization, second thing is purpose is fair dealing. It ensures. So we can write our definition ourselves in our own words. How we will write the stock exchange definition? That it is an organization or a body of individuals whose purpose is to ensure fair dealing of transparent and to provide transparent market to the investors. Here we write providing transparent market for investors. This is called stock exchange. Now, the next thing is functions of stock market, functions of stock exchange. First of all, it is necessary to understand that stock exchange is a secondary market. Actually, in primary market, there is no location, no geographical location. The dealing is done through company and investors, company and the public savers. The transaction takes place between them through online. And if there is any geographical location, that means it is a stock market. It is the location for secondary market where investor to investor transaction takes place and there is no involvement of companies here. So stock exchange we can say, but we can say the secondary market functions. Okay, let's go point wise. First one is economic barometer. What is economic barometer? That means stock exchange of any country. Stock exchange of every country is the market from where we can measure the economic development of a country, economic conditions of a country we can measure. See how we can measure? If prices, economic conditions of the country are good, then prices of securities will go high. Prices of shares, especially equity shares, prices of equity shares, prices of securities will go high. If prices are going high, that means it is a boom period in the society, in the country. Boom period means the prices, commodities prices are low, cost of commodity is low, and the profit is high. Income sources are high, money value is high. Okay, so if in stock market, if prices of securities are going down, that means it is a recession period. Yeah, in recession period, it is not a good condition because companies earn less profit, commodities, so production cost will be high, and commodities prices will also be high. And if the prices will be high, then no customer will be found in society, in market. Okay, So that is why it is said that a stock exchange of any country, stock exchange of every country shows the barometer of economic barometer of every country. Or we can also say in other language, mirror of economic conditions of a country. Okay, so this is first function. Now the second function is pricing security. Pricing securities. That means stock check. In let's come to in normal market, normal commodities market. What happens there? Suppose mangoes. If there is too much supply in the market of mangoes, then prices will go down. If the demand is high, supply is limited and demand is high, then prices will also go high. Same thing is done with here. Same thing is here, same principle is here, that in stock market, in securities market, in financial market, if the demand is high, that means if investors want to invest in company securities, then prices will go high. If demand is low and so many companies are there to issue their securities, that means supply is high, then prices will go down. Okay, so stock market also perform a function of pricing of the securities on the basis of supply and demand basis. The prices of securities are determined. Let's go for third function is safety of transactions. Safety of transactions. That means it is the responsibility of the stock market. In the stock market, yesterday we learned that only listed companies in primary market, all the companies can sell their shares, their securities to the public. But in stock market, there is a controlling of stock exchange, that organization or that group of individuals. Okay, so some authorized person will control the activities of transactions, and only listed companies securities will be sold and purchased here. Listed companies will deal only, and second thing is only those securities will be dealt in this market which will deal under rule regulations of the stock market. If the company is not following stock market rules, then their securities will be sent out from the market. So it is the responsibility of the stock exchange that they provide transparent and safe transactions to the investors. Now, fourth one is contributes to economic growth. Contributes to economic growth. How? Because whatever are the savings, domestic savings, this stock market provides the platform through which the domestic savings will come out and will be channelized in the money formation system, in the capital formation system. So money will be brought in circulation. That is why it is called contribution to economic growth. If domestic savers will give their money to the market, to the companies, then only companies will grow, then only the business of the country will grow and the industrial development will be possible. So it contributes to economic growth. Next point is spreading of equity cult. What is this spreading of equity cult? Actually, stock market encourage investors to invest in, most of the time, to invest in ownership securities. That means shares. Stock market encourage the investors to invest in shares mostly, because for both of point of view, from the company's point of view, it is not a repayment obligation. Second thing is, from the investor's point of view, if the company will grow, and we always assume good, हम पहले से ही क्यों बैड सोचना शुरू कर दें? So we always assume good. If the company will grow, then investors will earn high income, high dividend they will earn, not with the fixed rate of interest. That is why, with the both point of view, it is beneficial for the companies and for the investors point of view. That is why stock market most of the time they encourage, they do not force, they encourage the investors to invest in equity securities. Next point is provide a scope for speculation. Speculation, the term is not good term. In our normal thinking, speculation term, we don't feel it better. We don't feel it good. So why this legally this organization is providing scope for speculation? Actually, it provides a healthy speculation because this is funds market, this is finance market, and it will determine the growth of a country, economic growth of a country. That is why it is important. And they are providing speculation, but with healthy speculation, with the controlled conditions, with transparency, with fairness, no cheating. Then the speculation is not a bad thing. Okay, so stock exchange provides a scope for speculation, in which with the expectation of future, देखिए business is always operated and started and established on the speculation of future, estimation of future. Speculation भी future estimation है, business सारे future estimation पे चलते हैं, तो we can't deny कि speculation नहीं है, life में भी speculation है ना? That is why. But if stock market provides healthy speculation, that's very nice. Then in such terms, that this term is very good term, not a bad term. Now the next point is, seventh point is liquidity. Liquidity, that means stock market provides ready-made market for sale and purchase of securities. It assures that if company will bring securities, then of course 100% they will get liquid money against of their security, because investors are there, sellers are there. If investors want to invest their savings, they are 100% sure that their money will be invested somewhere, in the best project will be some invested. Okay, so liquidity, that means for investors it ensures, for company it ensures that whatever they want to do, sale purchase, they can. It provides sale purchase of finances, ready-made market it provides. Next one is A. Next one is better allocation of capital. Better allocation of capital. What does it mean? That whatever is the capital, still it is not capital. It's still it is in hands of savers, in hands of investors, and it is a saving. These savings should be invested and in those projects which are very much beneficial, which are most beneficial, which will give higher profit, which will give higher return. Only in those projects, only on those resources, this capital, this resources, and these savings will be invested, then it will become part of capital. So, better allocation of capital. That means the capital, the savings of investors will be invested in better options only, in better uh, companies only, better projects, investment projects. Okay, so stock exchange makes insurance. Now, the last function of the stock exchange is promote. That's very much important for economic development. Promote habit of savings and investment. So stock exchange promote habit of savings. If the people will see that the so many people are earning high profit, then another savers also, another so domestic savers also will start saving more and more money. One thing. And second thing is After saving this money, they will not keep in their home. They will invest in the capital formation procedure. It will come. The money will come. The domestic savings will enter in capital formation system. So that the investors, the business person, company, economy of the country, society of country will get development. Everything will get development. If money will not be stored in homes, it will be running in capital formation process. So these are the functions of the stock market. Mainly the function of the stock market is providing fair dealing, providing platform for investment, and ensure the funds will be invested at good place, ensure that the companies will raise funds easily, and it will ensure the economic growth of the country. It provides finances to company, it provides regular income to investors, and it provides economic growth to the country. This is stock market functions. Now, if anybody want to ask anything, then you may return.